and welcome to this week's lesson. This week we look at words and phrases related to how we play the game of Crazy Golf. In Crazy Golf, we have to hit the ball into the hole, but first we must get the ball over, under or around obstacles. We will be looking at the following phrases in this lesson: Crazy Golf, Octopus Course, Nice Decor, Putter and Ramp. As ever, we will be helping you with your pronunciation, helping you to understand definitions, and providing examples of English you are likely to hear in everyday life to give you a greater understanding of the words and phrases. So don't forget to stay until the end to test your knowledge by taking our quiz. Anyway, let's get started with the first word. The first word we have for you this week in the Crazy Golf lesson is, in fact, Crazy Golf. So it's important, if you don't know what Crazy Golf is, for us to go through this word and explain it in full. Anyway, let's have a look at how we would pronounce this. Crazy Golf. And again, Crazy Golf. Great. So let's have a look at the definition and an example, just so we can help you further understand. So this is a fun form of golf where players hit the ball over, around and even under barriers and eventually hit the ball into a hole. So an example would be, Alan preferred Crazy Golf to normal golf as he found it much more exciting and funny. Next up, we have an exciting and unusual phrase for you, and this one is Octopus Course. Now this is a very tricky word to pronounce, so we'll have a look at how we would do that right now. So it's Octopus Course. And again, Octopus Course. And one more time, Octopus Course. So now we've had a look at the pronunciation, let's go on to look at a definition and the example for Octopus Course. So an octopus course has a certain number of holes players have to hit the ball into. All the holes together make up a course. The course is decorated with things to do with octopuses, a sea creature with 8 legs and no bones. Amy and her friend's favourite course at the Crazy Golf Centre was the Octopus Course. They thought it was so much fun. The next word in this week's lesson is Nice Decor. So let's first of all have a look at the pronunciation to find out how we would pronounce this properly. So this is Nice Decor. And again, Nice Decor. Great, so let's move on to the definition and example. So the definition of nice decor means a room or area that is decorated nicely with decorations and paint. So we can have a look at an example of this in a Crazy Golf context. So the example would be, Jane felt the Octopus Course had really nice decor with the purple and blue paint, octopus toys and underwater paintings. It made her feel like she was playing golf underwater. Moving on, we now look at the word putter. So let's have a deeper look at how we would pronounce this. So this would be ter. And again, put, ter. So let's find out what this word actually means and how we would use it in everyday life. So this is the stick people use to hit a ball around the course when they play crazy golf. So the example is, John wanted to win the crazy golf competition amongst his friends. So he tried to hit the ball with his putter as accurately as he could. For our last word this week, we have the word ramp. And this is a rather easy word to pronounce, so let's have a look at how we would pronounce this. Ramp. And again, ramp. So that's a fairly easy word to pronounce, but now let's look at how we would define this word and also how we would use it in an example. So a ramp is, in crazy golf, this is something you would hit the ball up to get it to part of the course on a higher level. So the example is, Amy felt she had to hit the ball with more power to make sure the ball could get up the ramp and into the hole. It's now time to test your knowledge with our weekly quiz to see how much of today's lesson you can remember. So, on to the question. What is the name given to the stick we hit the ball with in crazy golf? Is it A, a clutter, B, a shutter, or C, a putter? And the correct answer is C, putter. So well done if you got that correct, and please let us know in the comments if you got the answer correct. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions about this video or would like us to explain a word from any context, then please post your question in the comments box below. We are always happy to help. Don't forget to like our video in order for us to gain more viewers and expand our channel, and ultimately provide you with an even better experience. Why not hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our future videos. Next week we will be looking at words and phrases to do with Christmas at university. Anyway, for now, goodbye and see you again next week.